Hello dear students, today I will continue the chapter matrix, here matrix multiplication. Just in the previous class we have seen that the multiplication of matrix by a scalar, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix. Here multiplication of matrix is very important topic. So, for multiplication of matrix, just we know that the two matrices can be added, can be subtracted if their order are same. So here, for multiplying two matrix, suppose if a matrix is just like Aij and another matrix is B, just here we can see that J is common in both. Here three index are there, I, J, K. This is general format. I equal to some value, J equal to some value, K equal to some value from 2. So here if this is L by M matrix order or it's M by N matrix. Suppose order that is L, that means I equals to 1, 2, 3 up to L. J equals to 1, 2, 3 up to M. K equals to 1, 2, 3 up to N. These are the index. That is it. Its order A, L by M. That is, we can say A, L by M order and B, M by N order. Here, if this, then A L by M and B L by M can be multiplied. This and this can be multiplied. That is, AB will be defined and its order, because number of column here, number of row here are same, then we can define. AB can be defined, that is AB, that is multiplication of A and B can be defined, may be defined if number of column in first and number of row in second are same. In this order, order is important here. Okay, and its order will be, its order will be what? Can we multiply and order of AB will be omitting this two, L by N. L by N. Clear? So Mn, just common, omitting this, then L by N. L by N. And BA. B what? M by N. And A what? L by M. Number of column and number of rows are not equal. So BA cannot be defined. That is BA, multiplication BA cannot be defined. For this, just N and L should also be equal. Here. This two should be equal. Okay? It is not defined in this case if L and N are not equal. For defining multiplication, just number of row or number of column in first matrix and number of column in row in second matrix should be equal. So if but BA is not defined. If L equal N, then B means what? M by N. A means what? L. N by M can be defined. Then this is defined. Okay? Then B, M by N and this can be defined. Can be multiplied, sorry, can be multiplied. That is, here we see that what? A, M by N, A, N by M, and B, M by N. If order are in reverse order, that is A having order this and B having order this, then AB is a matrix of order M omitting M, because both are equal, so we can write N by N. And BA, what order? Just after this NN equal, so M by M. Both will be defined, both can be defined, but its order is N by N, its order is M by N. That means it is not necessary that for equality of AB and BA. From here it is clear that because order of this matrix is N by N, order of this matrix is N by M. So AB is not equals to BA. That is, whenever the order of two matrices are such that they can be multiplied in either by putting either side, that is AB and BA. But if they are defined and can be defined, and it is not necessary that AB equals to BA. If AB and BA are defined, and then it is not necessary that AB equals to BA. Okay. So main thing is what? For multiplication, number of rows, columns in first matrix and number of rows in second matrix should be equal. Then we can multiply. Now take particular questions for this. Okay. So how can multiply it? Okay. So multiplication can be written as just like this. Okay. So here see that we are taking two matrix, for example. Suppose A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 by 2, and B is equals to just taking 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 5. Its order is 2 by 3. Clear? So here we see that if this, then what will be the situation here? Okay. So just we see that for multiplication of AB and BA, whether they exist or not. Just A having 2 by 2 and 2 by 3. So number of column, number of row are same. So AB can be defined. AB can be defined and order will be 2 by 3. But BA is not defined because first case 2 by 2 and 2 by 3. So these two omit, 2 by 3 matrix we can get. Second case 2 by 3 into and 2 by 2. So these two are not equal. So not defined. That is AB defined but BA not defined. Okay. Now how can we multiply and its elements can be found? So just write 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and at this side 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 5. Multiplication rule, row by column, row by multiplication. Multiplication row. Row by column. Row by column means from first matrix there's row, column. So this row, column, this row, column. So how can you write like this? Row, that is 2, 3. First element will be what? This. In the first element, row, column. 2 into 2 means this row just write and this column, because this column just write because here number of column and here number of row are same, so there are 2 element, there will be 2 element, column, row, so 2 element go to this direction because here 2 column, there's 2 elements in a row. Here 2 row, 2 elements in a column. So this 2 element can be just like 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Same for this place 4, 5. 4 into 2 plus 5 into 1. So these 2 points are defined like this. Okay. Similarly, with this element, by this column, row, column, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Here 4, 5. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 0. Here this multiple 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5. Here 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Just like this. Okay. So row by column equal to. Clear? Now just write it. 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7. 2 into 2 3 6 plus 0 6. 8 plus 15 23. 8 plus 5 12 plus 0 16 plus 25 16 plus 25 41 41. Just like this. Clear? So we get here what 2 by 2 or here 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, just this 2 by 3. So what is the rule? Row by column. By this column 2 times 2 with 2 row. By this column again this process just do in this place, and again this process carry for this column just in the same process. So we can get like this. Okay, this is the rule. This and this line, this line 2 times. This line with this column, 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 so 6 times 2 by 3. This is the process of finding multiplication of two matrix. Clear? So very important part. So here just we can see the notation. If we compare it with its notation, suppose here this is what Aij. No, that is not. Just like the 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. This notation 2 2. Similarly, just take another matrix, then we can generalize this formula. Okay, so here see that a matrix, if Aij 2 by 2 and Bjk 2 by 3, that is I equals to 1 2, j equals to 1 2, k equals to 1 2 3. Okay, then we can define AB. So here what AB means, just write its with its notation. A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, this. Now here just B1 2, B1 2, here B11, B1 3, because here number of column is 3. So B21, B22, B23. Just now multiply it. What? This row, this column. That is A11, B11 plus A12, B21. Here A21, B11, A22, B21. Similarly, just three times just do with this column, with this column. So here B, first element what? A11, B12, A12, B22, A11, B12, A22, B22. Just like this. Okay, here just doing the process, this into this by this by this, and this by this by this, and so on. Say A11, A12, A1. Here just this is not Right? A 2 1, 2 1, A 2 1, 2 1, A 2 2, A 2 1, A 2 2, A 1 2, A B 1 2, B 2 2, B 1 2, B 2 2. See now just A 1 1, B 1 3 with this count. So plus A 1 2, B 2 3. This 2 3. Here A 2 1, B 1 3. Plus here A 2 2, B 2 3. So this is general form. So here we can see that how can we write it? Product. This is first position. So here 1 1 2 2, and this is 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, so this can be written as how? This element Cij. If we denote Cij, not Cij, it is Ci, because after product just we get I and K. So Cik, Cik, that is first and second. Here first part, here second part. 1 1, here 2 1 2 1. So what is the element? 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 1. Just omit common two things. Just 2 by 2, 2 by 3. So this 2 are omitting. So 1 2 3. So here 1 1. Just in between 1 and in between 2 are neglecting. So C 1 1, C 2 1 2 1. Here C, this is denoted by C 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 2. C 1 2, C 2 2. Here just 1 3 1 3 2 3 2 3. So 1 3 2 3. So this is notation 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3. So this C 1 1. What is C 1 1? C 1 1 is this. That is A 1 1 B 1 1 plus A 1 2 B 2 1. This is C 1 1. So it can be generalized just like this. C I J. Here C I K. Here will be what? C I K. Just we can write C I K. Okay. C I K. I K means here in this particular case 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is I equals to 1 2. K equals to 1 2 3. So is Cik equals to what? Here in between part is sum of what? In this case both are 1. C I A I one and B1 K. Okay. So in between what? J. Because A in between 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 is here and 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 for J. So this is J. J. Here J equals to what? 1 2 and I equals to 1 2 A equals to 1 2 3. Just you can see here by taking ik, I1, K1, 1 1. So here 1, here 1, and j, one time 1 1, second time 2 2, second time 2 2 means what? This. Sum over what? J equals to 1 to 2. J equals to 1 to 2. Sum of on j, because here ik also, here ik also. So I equals to 1 to 3, k equals to 1 to k equal to 1 to 3, j I equals to 1 to, and j equals to 1 to. So this is general formula. If we write just element in form, so we can write. Okay. So here see, if we write in general form, so how can we write? Its product form. So multiplication is very, very important. So remember it. Okay, always. Just general formula will be what? If its order are L by M, M by N, that is I equals to 1 2 up to L, j equals to 1 2 up to M, k equals to 1 2 up to N. These are the values. M. So AB is defined. AB is defined as a matrix. C I K will be element, and I means what? L. By K means what? N. Omitting M and L by N matrix. Where C I K equals to sum of what? A, B. Here just I and K. In between J. Sum of J 1 to M. And here I equals to 1 2 up to L, and k equals to 1 2 up to N. For I equals to 1 1, C 1 1, what? C 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 N. Similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 and so on. All the elements you can find by this relation. So this is the multiplication. General form it is. Okay. So just how can we multiply to matrix? This by this, and also means row by column we can multiply. Okay. And also matrix multiplication having some property, just like it is already seen that the product is not commutative in general. Maybe AB and BA either direction defined, but it is not necessary for equality. Okay. And here generally if two matrices are square matrix, then both sided they can be multiplied, but it is not necessary that the multiplication in either side will be equal. It is not necessary. Okay. And here also we can see that the multiplication of diagonal matrix of same order will be commutativity, or equality. AB equal to BA. So properties of multiplication of matrix matrices. What? First, it is not necessary commutativity, but associativity, distributivity, both are holding. Okay. Here, just one thing is very very important, that in general, whenever we do some calculation, that the product of two real number AB equals to 0, either A equals 0 or B equals 0. If A equals 0 or B equals 0, then product is equals to 0. But in matrix case, matrix entity, if AB equals to 0 matrix, then it is not necessary. Then, if this, then it is not necessary that either A equals 0 or B equals 0. That means if A equal not 0, B equal not 0, that means there are matrix which are not 0 matrix can be multiplied and we can get 0 matrix. That is, it is not true for matrix multiplication. Here we can see that 0 0, just like this. Suppose we are having matrix 0 0 1 2 and matrix 3 5 0 0. Product of this matrix is equals to what? Just multiply it. Row this by this, that is 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0, and for second column 0 into 5 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0. So here, what is this? 0 matrix. That is, this is A, this is B, non-zero matrix, non-zero matrix are getting 0 matrix. So, for the matrix multiplication it is not required. There exists non-zero matrix whose multiplication is a 0 matrix here. Okay. Just property, associative law is hold and also distributive law is also hold. Okay. In either direction, and existence of also multiplicative identity. So here what? First is associative. Associative. A B C equals to A B C. Hold. If they are, if the multiplication on both sides defined holds. If the multiplication or both multiplication on both sides, means if these are defined, the BC are defined, and if all the multiplication are defined, then this is true. Hold. Okay, hold. Associative law hold. Distributive law also hold. A distribute over B plus C. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Okay, in either side. AB plus AC. And also A plus B C equals to AC plus BC. Holds. If both sides are defined. This is what? Distributive law. This is distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law. Okay, this is distributive, this is associative. And third, a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity exists. AI equals to IA equals to A. Here I is unit matrix. I is unit matrix. just for defining, but it should be defined, then we can get. Because here suppose A is 2 by 2, then just take I 2 by 2, I unit matrix, square matrix, so 2 by 2, 2 by 2, so 2 by 2. Here 3 by 2, then it is also defined, you can get also what? A 3 by 2. Okay, because this 3 by 2, 2 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. Clear? Here I 3 by 2 into I 2 by 2. So also 3 by 2, 3 by 2. You can get 3 by 2. 2 by 2, sorry, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So we can get 2 by 2. If suppose A is 3 by 2. So here 3 by 3. So you can get 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So I is a square matrix of order, just number of columns here, number of rows here. Then we can get like this. I is multiplicative identity. I is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay? I is multiplicative identity. So these are the properties of multiplication of matrix. Okay. So using this idea, we can solve the questions from exercise 3.2. Just we have seen that in the last time, just first questions having two product AB and BA for finding. So we can find the product of matrix multiplication, that is AB and BA for the first question. Okay. The third and fourth part of the first questions was what? Solution. Just 3.2 exercise. First question, fourth part. Okay, first and fourth part. Just we have to find. Given what? A is given what? 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 2, 4, 3, 2. And 2, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 3 minus 2, 5. 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Just we have to find AB. Here, because 2 by 2 matrix is given, so order are both same, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So we can multiply it. 2, 4 and 3, 2. Just write 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Okay. So it's simple. AB and BA we have to find. So first AB and BA, this very simple, row by column, this row, this column. So what? Just see here, 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2, first element. Just you have to write here 3, 2, 3, 2. Similarly, just write 2, 4, 3, 2. You can take the step. What? 1, 2. So into 1 plus into minus 2. Here what? 3, 5. So into 3, into 3, into 5, into 5. Plus plus plus. This is the rule. So this. So here what? 2 plus minus 8. 2 minus 8 minus 6. 3 minus 4 minus 1. And 6 plus 20, 26, and 9 plus 10, 19. So minus 6 minus 1, 26, 19. Minus 6 minus 1, 26, 19. This is AB. And also you can find BA. For finding BA, just see BA. BA means just write this matrix first. 1, 3, minus 2, 5, and here what? 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 3, 2. Just multiply it. What? 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 2, 5. 1, 3, minus 2, 5. We know 2 times will be because 2 columns are there. So just write this to here, also this to here. 2, 3 into 2 plus into 3 into 2 plus into 3 here into 4 plus into 2 here into 4 plus into 2. Just write it. This is the process. Okay, row by column, row by column. Okay, so 2 plus 9, 11, 4 plus 6, 10, minus 4 plus 15, 11, minus 8 plus 10, 2. So 11, 11, 10, 2. 11, 11, 10, 2. So this is BA, this is AB, not equal. Just we can say here also, this is not commutative in general. Okay. So this is question 4th and 5th part of question first of the exercise 3.2. Question 2nd was for addition, and so question 3rd is for multiplication. Here also question 3rd of exercise 3.2 is also for multiplication. 3 by 3, 2 by 2, square matrix may not be a square, just product is defined, so we can find the value multiplication of the matrix given in here. Okay, so just see there are 4 or 5 multiplication is given for finding. Just take 1 or 2 multiplication here for doing now. Okay, so here first question is 2 by 2 matrix. You can do it. What? AB minus BA. First is like this. Multiplication of matrix AB minus BA. AB minus BA. And second is what? A minus B, BA. A minus B, BA. Just we have to find this multiplication. Very simple. What? A into this, A square. B into this, plus B square. A into this, minus AB. B into this, plus AB. Second, what? Same thing for this. Minus AB. This into this, plus this into this, AB. Here, just for this. Minus into minus. B means minus minus plus B square, and A into A plus A square. Just we see that we get A square plus B square 0, 0, B square plus A square. This is multiplication. First multiplication is this. Similarly, we can multiply, because this is a square matrix, so multiplication is simple. Okay. So we can multiply 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So here see second question. Question second for multiplication. What? 1, 2, 3. This is column matrix and this is row matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Just for doing this, what? Here 3 by 1, this is 3 by 1, this is 3 by 1, this is 1 by 3. So it is defined. Very simple. because row by column. So just we write how, because 3 by 1 and 1 by 3, so we get 3 by 3 matrix. From here, number of column, number of rows, same. So 3 by 3 matrix will get what? First row, just row, writing first, second, third, 3 times. Write this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, first column, this is multiplied to this. Okay, and 3 is multiplied into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 is multiplied into 4 into 4 into 4. So we get what? What is the rule? First row and column. So just like this, 1 2 1 2, 1 2 2 2 3 2, just 3 1 3 2 3 3. Here, what? 2 4 6 3 6 9 4 8 12. This is 3 by 3 matrix. The multiplication of this matrix is this. Okay, so this is the rule of finding multiplications. Just see what? 2 3 is 4, 4 6 8, 2 3 4, 4 6 8, 6 9 12, 6 9 12. Okay. Third question is what? 2 by 2 and 1 minus 2, 2 3. Just see multiplication. Third question. So very important multiplication. So see here, what? 1 minus 2, 2 3. 1 minus 2, 2 3. And here also 2 by 3 matrix. 1 2 3, 2 3 1. 1 2 3, 2 3 1. Just this is given. 2 3 1. Okay. So this is just multiply it. So here also we can see that the first number of column in first matrix is what? 2. So here what? 2 by 2, or here 2 by 3. So 2 to omit 2 by 3. So we will get how many? 2 by 3. So 3. Here 3 columns are here. First column, second column, third column. 3 columns. 3 columns means you have to write this 3 times. What? 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. 2 3. First time. Second column. 1 minus 2. 2 3. Third column. Once again. 1 minus 2. And 2 3. Just 3 times. Right. For first column. This. Go to like this. 1 from here and 2 here. So into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. Just add this. Okay. This 2 3. Now 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3. Add this. Okay. Now 3 1. Just use like this. 3 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 1, and this. Now write. It's very 1 minus 4 minus 3. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Here 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 9, 13. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 by 3. 2 by 3, okay. So 2 by 3 matrix is there. So what? 2 by 3 matrix. Minus 3 minus 4, 1. Minus 3 minus 4, 1. 8, 13, 9. 8, 13, 9. So multiplication rule is this. Okay. So very simple. Just do all the multiplication remaining 4th, 5th and 6th. You can do it. Okay. So just take next question is 4 question, and then 5th can also be done. Here just take 6 question. Okay. For fifth you can do, okay, 3 by 3 matrix, you can get 3 by 3 matrix, and just now then 3 by 2 and 2 by 2. 3 by 2 and 2 by 2 means 3 by 2 matrix you will get. In fifth or sixth here, sixth part, what is given? 3 minus 1, 3, first matrix, 3 minus 1, 3, and second, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 2. This is first matrix. And second matrix is like this. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, and minus 3, 0, 1. This multiplication is given in sixth part of third multiplication. So its multiplication can be done. How can we do it? Just see here. What is this? 2 by 3. And what is this? 3 by 2. So 3 omit, 2 by 2 matrix we will get 2 by 2 matrix. Just 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, because 3 will omit, and just number of column here 2. So 2 times like this. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. 2 times right, because there are 2 columns, row by column. So here 3 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Just 2 times. How many times we will write this matrix? Number of column. 2 column here. So here 2 times writes. Now taking first column, just 2, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3 here. Second column 3 minus 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 3, 0, 1. So 2, 1, 3, and add this. Okay. Similarly, by using this 3, here minus 3, minus 3, 0, 1, just add this. Now we can solve it. 2 by 2. How can you solve it? Here, calculate it. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5 plus 9, 14. Minus 9 plus 3, 6. Minus 9 plus 3, 6, minus 6. Minus 2 plus 0, 6, minus 2 plus 6, 4. Here minus plus 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. Just 2 by 2 matrix you can get. 14 minus 6, 4, 5. 14 minus 6, 4, 5. 14 minus 6, 4, 5. So this is the multiplication. So multiplication is very, very important. So complete it. The remaining part what? 4th and 5th. Okay. So try to multiply more matrix to matrix from taking examples, and also just do some more questions for multiplication, because multiplication is very, very important. And from the questions 5th I will discuss in the next class, and do it, complete multiplication process, and do the examples also in your notebook, and send me some of the solutions from your notes for your attendance. Okay.